What is celebrating on your birthday Instagram change story? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's a Portuguese one, so let me show it to you. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my page, from my Instagram page, you have to go to add yours 22 at highlights. And here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I'll do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story, or you can go to your Google just like this, and you have to tap here at the top what is celebrating on your birthday, and you just have to screenshot the results. So now you can go back to your Instagram and add your screenshot. In my case it's this one. You can now place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it. So now guys, if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, on my Instagram account, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to a video tutorial. It only has 2 to 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow, and it will definitely help you. And also guys, you can now join our membership on YouTube to have so many perks. You can now talk with us in private and solve all of your problems. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.